I bought my house around 4 years ago. But prior to that, the old owners had let me know that they'd had some roof work done with Guardian Roofing and Company, and they really loved their services. So when the time came for me to also look into some roof fixings, and at the time I had a really bad moss problem, so I wanted to get that cleaned away. I didn't know the first thing about anything homeownership related, so I called Guardian for a quote, and they were able to come out almost immediately, which frankly was a new experience for me, given that all the contractors I'd seen previously had usually taken a really long time to get back to me. But they came over, they walked me through exactly what they would be doing, how they did it, what was good for roofs, what was bad for roofs, and I was absolutely thrilled with the service they provided as well. So I'm having some work done on my house later this year to get some gutters replaced, and I'm absolutely thrilled that Guardian was able to come out almost immediately when I noticed a gutter problem. And they were able to offer actually a variety of different options, which I didn't even know existed when it came to gutters, as well as paint colors. And I am thrilled to have a company that I can call and trust that I can get work done pretty quickly. I know when Guardian is involved that I'm going to get a very fair and reasonable quote, and work will be done just like that. Overall, I'd highly recommend Guardian to my family and friends.